Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you know when the bus comes?
Around 9:30.
Great. I still have time.
Yes, about 30 minutes.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 every morning.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like to exercise before work.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8:30.
And when do you finish?
I finish around 5 p.m.
That's a long day.
Yes, but I enjoy my job.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Sure. What time?
How about 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
I'm busy then.
Okay. What about 4 p.m.?
That's perfect.
Great. Let's meet at the cafe.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow.
See you.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Oh no, the weekend is over.
Yes. Back to work.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I love Friday
Why Friday?
because the weekend starts after it.
True, everyone loves Friday.
What's today's date?
It's October 29th.
Really? Time flies so fast.
Yes, the month is almost over.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on March 3rd.
Oh, that's soon.
Not really. It's still a few months away.
I'll remember it.
Thanks. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandparents.
That sounds nice.
Yes, they live in the countryside.
How long will you stay?
Just 2 days, Saturday and Sunday.
Will you go by car?
No, by train. It's more relaxing.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
What time does your office open?
It opens at 8 a.m.
And when does it close?
It closes at 6 p.m.
Do you work every day?
No, only from Monday to Friday.
That's good. You have weekends off.
Yes, I can rest or see my friends.
When is the school festival?
It's on November 10th.
What day of the week is that?
It's a Sunday.
Perfect. I don't have class then.
Are you going to join?
Of course. I love school events.
Me too. Let's go together.
What did you do yesterday?
I studied for my test.
Oh, how was it?
It was okay, but a little hard.
When will you get your results?
Next Monday.
I hope you get a good grade.
Thank you. I hope so too.
What time is it now?
It's 3:30.
Oh, I have a meeting at 4.
You still have 30 minutes.
Great! I'll get some coffee.
Good idea. Let's go together.
Sure. Coffee break time.
Yes, I love coffee time. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What time do you have breakfast?
Around 7 a.m.
Do you eat a big breakfast?
No, just some bread and milk.
That's healthy.
Yes, it gives me energy for the day.
What time do you have dinner?
Usually around 7 p.m.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we always eat together.
That's nice.
After dinner, I watch TV or read a book.
What time do you go to bed?
About 10:30.
Early. You must sleep well.
Yes, I try to sleep 8 hours.
What are you doing next weekend?
I'm going to a concert
Cool. When is it?
on Saturday night.
Who's performing?
My favorite band.
That's exciting. Have fun.
Thank you. I will.
I'd like to book a table for tonight.
Sure. What time?
At 7 p.m., please.
For how many people?
For 2.
Okay. Table for 2 at 7.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you tonight.
Is our meeting still on Friday?
No, it's moved to Monday
Monday. What time?
at 10 a.m.
Got it. I'll be there.
Don't forget your report.
I won't. Thanks for reminding me.
Anytime.
When is New Year's Day?
It's on January 1st.
Do you celebrate with your family?
Yes, we always have a big dinner.
That sounds lovely.
What about you?
I visit my grandparents every New Year.
That's a nice tradition.
What are you doing today?
I have class in the morning.
And in the afternoon?
I'm meeting my friend for lunch.
What about tonight?
I'll relax at home and watch a movie.
Sounds like a good day.
Yes, simple, but nice.
Excuse me, do you have the time?
Yes, it's almost 12.
Oh, lunchtime already.
Yes, time goes fast when you work.
True. I'm hungry now.
Let's grab lunch together.
Sure, let's go. When is your birthday?
It's on July 15th.
Mine is in August.
That's close. We should celebrate together.
Great idea.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I have dinner with my family.
Nice and simple. I like that.
It's getting late. What time is it now?
It's almost 10 p.m.
Oh, I should go home.
Yes, get some rest.
Thanks for today.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
See you. Good night.
Good night.